stop at the booth and get a wristband so I can go over the bridge. All the homies are already parked up at the like skid pad pit area. So it's a pretty sick spot. I've never actually been there before, so should be cool. Let's go. We made it. Here's Tim going by. Here with Alex, whipping in the coupe. He brought both his cars.
I can't drive the JZX for the life of me.
Yeah.
K ain't good.
JZX spins this car. I'm good.
Well, I just don't know how to drive that car, and the clutch is going out. So
Yeah.
I feel
don't want to be beating on it.
Exactly.
Might as well rip the drift car. Jake, we got Doug coming down the path. Let's see if he got the B group bump.
Dude, let's go!
Hell yeah.
Congrats, man.
Now we gotta get me and Jake in B class and we'll all be ripping.
Oh, dude, you're coming for
So we got the whole crew out here. Like I said earlier, I'm not driving tonight, so we're just having a good time, having some sodas and whatnot. Everybody's switching tires up. I've got a few ride-alongs. Hey, cheers for that long. And yeah, gonna go for some more ride-alongs tonight, and then we'll get some footage to drive tomorrow. Alrighty, so it is Saturday morning. We drove, well, everyone else was driving last night. I got some good ride-along videos. And then we had a good time cooking out, having some beers and chilling. And now airing out my tires, getting ready for the day. Passed tech first try, so that's ideal. So new tires look way better, not the balloon fitment. And with the little bit of street testing that I've done on them, they definitely felt a lot better. So, all right, we got Tim piloting the 1JS 300. First run's a Saturday morning, so it should be a good time. there's a decent amount of clips that the homies got, because I definitely didn't film a whole ton, but turned out sick. We all had a great time. Tim's car ended up with a little damage. Carl caught up to him when he straightened out on the clubhouse track, and me and Doug laid a couple tandems down. His sister said she got a video, so that's gonna be sick. And yeah, hopefully we have a decent amount of content. I'll catch up with you.
Times with the bros and your shit, then we roll with the cars and it goes like, I don't wanna be lonely tonight. Don't wanna be lonely tonight. Don't wanna be lonely. So I spend some time with my homies. I don't wanna be lonely tonight. Don't wanna be lonely tonight. Don't wanna be lonely. So I go and spend some time with my motherfucking homies.